Hi folks! Not too long ago I had shared a video of fall colors which you all enjoyed, showing the spectacular change of colors during fall. But 8 दिन में मौसम कुछ ऐसा बदला, एक storm क्या आ गया, सारे पत्ते झड़ गए. And then you actually start looking at the skeleton of the tree and that itself is so beautiful. मेरा जी करता है कि अगर मैं पेंटर होती ना तो I would have painted these trees. Let me show you closely how beautiful they are. हो सकता है कि कैमरा में मेरी आंखों को जितना सुंदर दिखाई दे रहा है उतना शायद कैमरा कैप्चर न कर पाए, but still I'm going to share that with you. Do you see? एक भी पत्ता नहीं है पेड़ पर. And then you can appreciate the change of color. The skin starts to show off because the leaves are not there. And then you can actually appreciate. And I have a row of these trees and they all look so beautiful. The other trees that I had shared were flowering pear trees, and they had burnt orange leaves and weave of yellow and green leaves. And if you look at them now, एक भी पत्ता झाड़ पर नहीं है. They kind of look from दूर से देखे तो they look kind of barren. But if you look closely, they have buds. कलियां निकल आई है सारी. And all of these buds will bloom sometime towards the end of March or beginning of April. And I hope to share that with you. क्योंकि ये सारी कलियां जब खिल जाती है ना, तो the पेड़ looks spectacular. And but right now, looking at this swift change of season, मुझे कुछ ख्याल आ रहा है जो मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. देखिए, ये नेचर रुकता नहीं है, सीजन के साथ साथ चल पड़ता है. एक हम ही है जो 2020 के बुरे माइंडसेट में अटके पड़े हैं. आई थिंक द नेचर इज ट्राइंग टू गिव अस अ क्यू that hey guys, move on and 2021 will be a better year. So till then, ciao, go green guys, love you.